Girl, let me look at you.
Ski, Tiara. Ski. You want to make you some food? Y'all, look at $34. Gas is so cheap right now. Y'all, I want to show y'all how dirty my car is. I recommend y'all taking at least one yoga class. Like, I had $60 in my pants. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's the little things I can show ya.
Girl, let me look at you. Girl, you bad, yeah, you know you bad, you a criminal. When you laughed and told me you would take my heart, I took it literal. But it ain't like I'm needing it back, you know that you treated the best. You know that I mean it is facts, there's never no need for no question. I can see us really living, loving life forever, baby. Wouldn't it be crazy if we just live in love so strong, so unconditional, like love so full, so wouldn't it be crazy if we just live in love so strong, so unconditional, like love so just what I feel when I see you, yeah. Turn me on like morning light when I feel you, yeah. Easily lost in the feelings you give me and ain't trying to find my way back. Ain't no other woman like that. Whatever you want and deserve, you can have it. Damn right, you the bomb, baby, ignite it, yeah. Let's go, no rush, though, I'm excited, yeah. Delighted, yeah. That I can be anywhere in the vicinity, thankful to be here. Wouldn't it be crazy if we live in love so strong, so unconditional, like love so full, so wouldn't it be crazy if we just live in love so strong, so unconditional, like love so full, so unconditional. Hey you guys, what's up? What's up? We're back with another video. I feel a little happy that I've been like consistent a little bit. We is about to do some errands and do some yoga today. I've never done yoga before, so I was like, I really want to try this yoga. It's called like People of Color, and it's yoga. It's like once a month. So I wanted to give it a shot. It's at 11 o'clock. It's 9:20. I'm about to get me something to eat for breakfast because I'm trying to eat breakfast. Touched my eye while touching my dirty cat, and it hyped up my eye. So I had to take off my lashes. So that's why this eye is swollen. Ski, Tiara. Ski. I'm gonna make you some food. So my cat been loving this. I feed her Friskies with this brand, Authority. It has to be urinary tract because like for some odd reason like other food makes her bleed. And the other food she was on was way too, it was like $60-70 for this size bag. So I tried this one out and she has not bled or anything like that. And I started mixing like different wet foods in it because I don't like, she need to eat good. If I'm gonna pay for food, she gotta eat good. So I don't do anything with like seafood because I just don't like the smell of it sitting in her bowl. Also, I don't know, people be telling me sometimes I feed my cat too much. I don't care. If her food bowl is empty, I'm giving her some more food. So one day if she eat 25 times, oh freaking well. Cause the other food that she was eating, it was like making her lose weight. And so this food with the mixed food, she's been gaining weight. My baby is getting thick arms. Sometimes I put chicken broth or beef broth in it just so her food is not too hard. Now for me, I think I'm just gonna do some yogurt and fruits. I can't wait to move. I'm moving in like 4 more months, y'all. 4 more motherfucking months because I have no space. No freaking space. I need more space. My business is in the living room. It's just too much, and I'm ready to get another room, get a bigger size room. And I don't even eat a lot of breakfast, so I'm not gonna be eating a fucking bowl full of this shit. Crap stuff. Whew. Try not to curse, you know? We got the Chobani yogurt, Greek yogurt, strawberry. Girl, why are you trying to eat my food? I wish I had blueberries. Next, we're gonna sprinkle some chai seed. The last thing we're gonna put is some granola to add a little crunch. This is what it looks like. You know. Alright, y'all. We is about to leave. Okay, guys, I'm at the gas station. I'm just gonna get a car wash while I'm here. So I'm about to go put some gas in my car and then get a car wash. So.
Yeah, I'll take one.
Y'all look at $34. Gas is so cheap right now. Y'all, I want to show y'all how dirty my car is. Car dirty as fuck right now. It's dirty. So I'm gonna show y'all the before and after because it's dirty right now. Girl math. Ah! Look at y'all. I just made an extra $11. So on here, it has, you redeem it inside, and it has the code.
The rush will begin momentarily. Please stand clear. Please place the car in neutral and take your foot off the brake.
I gotta make sure all my windows are up. Let's show the vehicle now. The vehicle looks brand spanking new. Looks brand spanking new. Nice. I love getting my car washed. I love getting my baby washed. Hey you guys, it is now 10:30 and we're about to drive to the yoga class. So I'm gonna hit you guys up when I get there. Guys, it's right there. But we're like 20 minutes early, so we're just gonna sit in the car for a little bit. Yeah, I've never done yoga before. This is so nerve-wracking. Never done it before. It's so pretty though. So we have to leave our stuff out here. So I'll let you guys know how it goes after.
We weren't like together on the same day.
Well, it's usually like a weekday that like I'm just so exhausted and I want to get out of the house all the feet.
That was so
Now
relaxed.
it's cool, she's not doing it. And my body,
It's
like,
so
the
relaxed.
last few days, I was like, you have been doing nothing and I can feel it. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness, so it was like brutal. Some of those stretches, I was like, yeah, these are things that have not been,
Be sure you get you in May.
these things have not been.
I mean, I'm tripping December. That May threw me off.
Yeah. 15 sounds. It's a year, girl. What? 14. Good. How are you? I want you guys to come to yoga all the time. So they do have good burgers.
That one has all those mushrooms. I mean, I love mushrooms so much that they're like a whole food group for me.
Yeah, that was the most relaxing thing that I ever done in my life. I was about to fall asleep. Like, it was so nice, so relaxing, so relaxing. And they gave us a cookie. But the class was about an hour 10. It was so relaxing. I'm still a bit camera shy, so I didn't want to like record me doing it, but it was super, super nice. I'm definitely coming back because I loved it. Like, I absolutely loved it. Like, I'm so calm right now. Like, I low-key want to take a nap. Part of the yoga was resting your eyes and resting your body. It's called like corpse something. And like we put like an eye pillow on. I was slumped. Like, I wasn't even slumped, but like it was so like it felt so good, like so relaxing. I recommend y'all taking at least one yoga class. Like, I've never done a yoga class before. Take one. Sign up and take a yoga class and just take it. Just do it. Because it is worth it. Like 100% worth it. I'm about to go head to the laundromat. But it was so nice. It was free, but you can like donate and stuff. So I tipped her because it was super nice. And the girl that does the class was someone I used to give coffee to every day at Dunkin'. I knew her order. Yes.
That's crazy.
Yup. For real. She's like, don't you look familiar? I'm like, you do too? She's like, Dunkin'. I'm like, oh my God, yeah. And then they gave us a free yoga class ticket.
Period.
So I told my mom about it because my mom was in Mississippi this weekend. So I told her about it.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, clothes are in the washer. We got 25 minutes on them. Look at that, y'all. $20 bill washed away in these clothes. Blessed. Okay, you guys, so I have 50 minutes, but on my timer I put 45. And y'all, tell me why I had $60 in my pants. Girl math, I just made 60 bucks doing my laundry. I just grocery shopped, so I'm gonna go get some food from home, make some lunch because I'm a little hungry. It's 2 o'clock on the dot. My no counter space, but we made the bean filling. We're gonna add it into the tortillas and then put it on the skillet. I found this website online. You just want to do half of it with the filling. Hey! Y'all, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I'm about to pack it up so we can go back to the laundromat and eat while I'm folding my clothes. Yeah, I don't have no sour cream, so we're just gonna eat it without sour cream.
Girl, let me look at you. Girl, you bad, yeah, you know you bad, you a criminal. When you laughed and told me you would take my heart, I took it literal. But it ain't like I'm needing it back, you know that you treated the past. You know that I mean it is fast, there's never no need for no question. I can see us really living, loving life forever, baby. Wouldn't it be crazy if we just live in love? Like that, whatever you want and deserve, you can have it. Damn right, you the bomb, baby, ignite it. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, I finally made it back home from the laundromat, and to end this vlog off, I'm gonna clean my apartment.
Unconditional, like love, so unconditional, in love, so strong, so unconditional, like love, so unconditional.
Hey you guys, so we just finished cleaning up for today. I'm about to clean up, put some pajamas on, and then me and Tiara's gonna go to her daddy's house for the night because he wants to cook dinner. So yeah. Hey you guys, this is the end of the video. My eyes starting to swell up again, so I will not be putting lashes on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified whenever I post. And I hope you guys enjoy. And bye.